In our previous video, we discussed a plethora of accessories for the Himalayan 450. Now I'm going to take your focus to the direction which is closest to you as a rider, the top section. Starting with your offset handlebar risers, made entirely of billet aluminium. Made out of solid billets, these risers are machined directly on automatic CNC machines to provide you that accuracy of fit and the uncompromising look. Right again, they come with all their nuts and bolts included and they're rust free for sure. But the good thing about the Himalayan risers from Zana is that you don't need to change the clutch cable. They're designed in such a way that the OEM clutch cable is good to go. Further up, a very useful accessory is the mirror extenders, the rear view mirror extenders here. When you wear a jacket, you often notice that your shoulders do get a bit wider because of the jacket, and they do occupy a bit of a real estate in the mirror as well. Consequently, the view of the road backside is not complete. Putting these extenders will just move your mirrors slightly outward and do away with the view of your shoulders. And trust me, you will cherish what a view right behind your shoulders, the way you can look at traffic. It is phenomenal. We feel it's a very essential safety accessory as well, and it comes with all the nuts and bolts as included. The extenders itself, they're made of solid aluminium billets and are machined on CNC machines as well. Priced very economically, we feel that when you buy this, you'll see a huge difference in the road view behind you. Towards the tail section, again, I'll bring your focus to the backrest. Made entirely of waterproof cushion, this backrest does not absorb water and does not throw it back on the back of the pillion. Something that all you riders have been cherishing for a long time now from Zana. Now towards the lower end of the motorcycle, the engine armor plate or the bash plate, what you call. The unit here in black is the steel version, something that is affordable and very useful for all you riders. The Himalayan otherwise comes with a plastic bash plate from the factory itself. So Zana has developed this metal bash plate for riders who do take the Himalayan off-road. And there's one more version that we did for the Himalayan as well, and that is entirely an aluminium. That bash plate is super strong, thick, yet lighter weight, something that you will enjoy when you're doing off-road trails. And the hammering that it can take is stupendous. Now the good thing about the aluminium one again is that it is 100% rust-free. Why do you want that feature? Because when you're water wading, when you're really torturing your Himalayan off the road, you want the Himalayan to stay safe, and the bash plate takes the brunt. Lots of scratches, lots of damage, but then do you want it to rust after that? Oh, no way. So aluminium bash plate is something for the pro rider, and the steel one is something for who is a little more value conscious and is not as crazy off-road as the pro one. So we just thought we'll give both the options to you guys. Thank you.